Things I wish I had known before building my house, or I'm just too lazy to fix it, but hopefully this serves as some inspo for your future home or remodel. My air vents are kind of big, kind of an eyesore, but they make these really cool linear ones that are just a line and way more invisible. You can get that same look with a bathroom drain. Here are mine, they're just normal, rusty, good old drains. This is just so much cleaner looking. My shower tile and doors don't match up, and that bugs me every day. Having your own room for your toilet is just horrible. It's so small and uncomfortable. I love how people are hiding their kitchen outlets under their cabinets, and it makes total sense, especially if you have a really nice backsplash. These hidden pantries are so cool. I don't know if it's just the kid in me that wants something like a secret room, but I really wish I put this in my house. Don't be an idiot like me. Measure your fridge and make sure it fits into your cabinets, or else it's gonna stick out. I also built my fire mantle before taking account of the safety precautions of how high I can mount my TV, so now it's just a little bit too high. So I was trying to save money on this curtain track, and I feel like I should have just gone to a professional to do this, because this was like 20 bucks on Amazon. But yeah, it's just like wiggly and weird. I should have put an outlet in my closet, because every time I use my printer I have to take it out. This is hard to show on video, so I had to turn the exposure down, but if you choose a light bulb that is too bright, it will constantly be flickering and it's super duper annoying.